I like that it's only 1 day a week, so it's a good mix between a work-life balance and learning. So I still feel like I'm contributing to my workplace because I'm still getting 4 days in work, but also still feel like I'm getting an education. I think it's been pretty well for the past 2 years. You get given sufficient time in college to do your assignments and whatnot, and when you're here you get enough time to do it as well, so it's not been too bad. We've ranged from maths to today we're outside doing land surveying, so that's basically just checking how the land goes up and down, to put it simply. I think the colleges are really nice. You've got really up-to-date equipment, especially with the new rooms that have been put in. You got a lot of robotic stuff. I don't have a clue what that is, but they're pretty good stuff. All the tutors have been pretty nice, all really helpful. Yeah, it's really good. At the end of the apprenticeship, we have a CIB thing, so they come in and we have to do an endpoint assessment, which is basically we have an exam and a coursework thing, and they assess that at the end. And then throughout the apprenticeship as well, obviously you do exams and coursework that gets marked and put towards your final grade. I think it's a brilliant idea. I really enjoy it. Like you say, as long as the place you're working for is quite supportive, gives you enough time to, do your work, and if you need to go away for stuff, they let you do that. I think it's a brilliant idea.